Hey guys, I know a lot of the people that have YouTube channels and smaller YouTube channels are probably aware of this by now. You should have received an email about this. If you are not aware of it, starting on February 20th, they're going to start demonetizing the smaller channels, which means you will not be able to make money on YouTube anymore. The email I've got says that I have not met the threshold of 4,000 hours watched in the last 12 months, and I do not have 1,000 subscribers. You have to meet these requirements before YouTube will start letting you make money on YouTube anymore, starting February 20th. So all the small channels are not going to be making any money anymore, basically. The larger channels should be alright, as long as they've got their watch time in, because they'll have the subscribers. As long as they're have their watch time in, they should be fine. The one way, I think that one of the easier ways to fix this is obviously you're going to need to get the 1,000 subscribers, but make good content. I mean, if people are really, if you're making good content for people to come and watch and they're enjoying what you're making, you'll get your watch time in. And then as more people come to your channel to watch your content, they'll start sharing with their friends. Hopefully they're sharing with their friends, and then you'll get more subscribers, and then you'll be able to get where you're making money on YouTube again. I know I just need, I'm only 100 and some subscribers, so I know I'm not going to be able to hit the subscriber mark that quick unless something drastic happens. My hours watched, I'm still short on that. I'm going to try to start making more videos more regularly, just try to see if I can get the time up. If you are a subscriber, please share with your friends and try to get more subscribers. There's a guy called Papa Texas that has been doing some shout outs for different channels, and trying to help them top over their 1,000 subscribers. A lot of them are 700-800 subscribers, or just barely under 1,000, and that's really been helping them out. So if you've got a small channel, do some shout outs for some other small channels, and just try to help each other out. I think a lot of us that are in a small channel can help each other by subbing to each other and being active in the community, watching their videos, helping them get their hours up. They watch you, so you can get your hours up. I think with a community effort like that, a lot of the smaller channels can reach that 1,000 mark, and I think we can get our channels back up there to start making money again. I did see a video. A guy said that one of the reasons he thinks that YouTube's doing this, and he's a very large channel, he thinks that they're just trying to get rid of all the bot channels, a lot of these little channels that are stealing videos from other channels and making it look like they put these videos on there so they can try to grab a quick buck. He was saying it should eliminate a lot of them, because they're not going to be making any money anymore, and it's not going to be profitable for them to steal somebody else's video and put it on their own channel, because if they don't have the subscribers to their channels, it's not going to make any difference, because they're not going to make any money off the video anyway. So they're going to have the subscribers for their channel before they'll start making any money for it off their videos. So it doesn't matter how many videos they steal from somebody else. If they don't have the subscribers to back it up, they're not going to make any money. So he's thinking that it's really going to help out the smaller channels in the long run. Once all the dust settles from all this, these fake channels and bot channels are going to disappear over time, and we'll actually start being able to make more money, because there'll be less channels out there stealing videos, and hopefully he's right, and we will be able to start making some decent money on YouTube in a year or two when all this starts settling down. I'm going to put a link in the description on a few small channels that I watch regularly. They're not really going out there and trying to get lots of subscribers and views and try to make a lot of money on YouTube. A couple of the guys on there, I'll put Papa Texas on there as well, but a couple of the guys are just making videos because they enjoy making videos, and I think they just like to make videos and help people out once in a while. So I'll put a link in the description on their channels. You gotta go check them out, and if you like them, sub to them and tell them I sent you over, and maybe that'll help them out a little bit, and maybe they can get up where they can still make money here after February 20th sets in. So that's all I want to come to today about. I've got some other videos I got planned in the future. Once the weather starts warming up, and we'll try to get some more how-to videos outside. It's a little difficult right now with it being as cold. It's kind of hard to go out and do too much outside with your gloves on and really show how to do things. So once it warms up a little bit, we'll try to get out and try to do some more of those. So until next time.